Didn't I fall pregnant several times given my ectopic pregnancies? And it's when I bought him so many legacies.
So your choice kamakhumalo, guys, to either leave this man or stay in this relationship, this toxic marriage kahle kahle. Cause umusa, I think umusa uthanda umakhumalo uma ethi yebo baba, and then when she starts standing her ground, kuthiwa umakhumalo wrong, kuthiwa umakhumalo usile, umakhumalo is controlling. And then when she starts coming here and abeke indaba etafuleni ukuthi into emlimazile yini nani, umusa ujika indaba ayenze nge-fertility issue kamakhumalo. Vele afake nje indaba yengane nokumitha phezu kwetafula. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. I'm back with umusa nomakhumalo. So yesterday bebaye ku-dinner date, and etafuleni umusa uyabeka indaba yokuthi it's been 5 months angaboni umakhumalo, and kule 5 months le angamboni angayi kwakhe, he feels like akasisendoda kamakhumalo, and ukuze yena angasayi laphayana futhi ukuthi umakhumalo wathi if ever umakhwela akalahlwa yena angesi kwakhe, angaliphathi kwakhe. I think umusa is just doing this thing a complicated issue. The only thing if ever bekafuna ukwakha kwakhe was to give umakhumalo lo mntwana amfunayo kwenziwe i-IVF, umakhumalo athole umntwana bekazowandisa umndeni. So he's using this as into angayibeka etafuleni every time makafuna ukhetha umakhumalo. And besides, he mentioned that umakhumalo makakwatini umuzi uyami, umakhumalo makahappy umuzi kuba happy konke, amadlozi nawo aba happy. So people are speculating ukuthi there might be isandla simfene la, there might be uthwala allegedly. But then guys, irregardless of everything we think and ne-2 cents esiyibeke etafuleni, ama-decisions wakumakhumalo, and ukubona kwami it's like she doesn't entertain this anymore and ngathi she's done. So kudele nje ukuthi abeke i-ring phansi aphinde abeke nje nama-divorce paper ahlukane nomseleko, because khona le iy'thombe azipostile abekazifaka kwakhe kuma-pictures kuma-walls and everything, umseleko was not there. We didn't even spot nakancane. So it's up to her, but Tina, as ama-fans, we're tired of how umusa is treating umakhumalo, and we hope ifamily kamakhumalo and also ifamily kamusa intervene, bakhe bahlale phansi naye bakhulume naye bamtshele ukuthi lento ayenzayo now is wrong. Yena angaba mphanisha umakhumalo, but so too much manje, like so too much, basokukhathela nama-fans, so too much. He's just painting a bad picture guy. Kuyakhombisa ukuthi ikhona sisters, and also zonke lezi zinto mayini and all the whys we're mentioning, that means it's true. So guys, what are your thoughts on this? Yo mna, I'm tired of lo tata. I'm so tired. Thank you guys for watching.